In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change password for your TP-Link RE190 using app called TP-Link Tether. So in order to do that, let's open our app. From here, we need to make sure that our device is plugged in, and from here select the device from the list. Now go for the tools, and here scroll all the way down for the system. Click on manage password and enter your current password. After that, click OK, and here you'll be able to set up new password. So for this example, let's make it very simple. 123 123, if it's gonna work. So yeah, that's easy password and it works. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.